I just built a fully functional iPhone app without writing a single line of code, and I'm about to show you exactly how I did it using just one AI tool.
This part blew my mind. When I first tried Rocket, I realized I could click through my app like it was already in the App Store.
All right, so the best place to start is by giving our app a backbone. Instead of having to worry about all the features right away, we're gonna set up the main pages and the navigation so everything has a home to go to.
Right here, he's setting up the backbone with Rocket, dashboard, tracker, tools, learn, and profile pages. No coding, no late night bug hunting. Just a real app skeleton you can click through. And the best part, you actually own the code forever. That means you can keep it, move it, or sell it. It's yours.
And that way, even at this early stage, it already feels like a real app that you can click through, and it gives us a solid canvas to build on. So we'll be using Rocket.new to do all of this. And one of the biggest advantages here,
guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Is that you're never locked in. Unlike other platforms that keep you tied down to their system, you own your own code completely. You can download it, you can modify it, and you can host it anywhere you like.
But the real magic happens in the next step, when the app actually comes alive, teaching users with quick daily lessons. Let's check it out.
I fit in. Now it's time to start shaping one of the most important parts of this app, the Learn section. This is where users will get guided lessons and practical strategies. So building it well sets the tone for how helpful the app can actually be in daily life.
This is where the app stops being just a shell and starts becoming useful. He's adding a Learn page with daily 5-minute lessons and a whole library of proven techniques. It's quick, it's actionable, and it refreshes every single day. Imagine opening your app and always having a new tip waiting, like a pocket mentor that never runs out of ideas.
Now the focus here is on creating short, actionable learning experiences and then backing them up with proven techniques for emotional regulation. So to do that, let's tell Rocket, good job. Now let's focus on building the Learn page. Please create a widget for a quick 5-minute interactive lesson that changes daily. Build a results section in that widget and make the lessons modular so the user can always access and learn from them.
But what happens when the app doesn't just show lessons? It actually talks back to you like a real coach. That's where it gets wild. Let's see the AI coach in action.
Please integrate Google Gemini and create a personalized AI coach that the user can interact with to help them with their mental health. Make sure that the coach uses proven psychological methods. Have this placed in the dashboard, build a widget to access it.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
And with that prompt, there you go. The integration adds a widget here to our dashboard. And this part becomes the entry point for the AI coach, and it's designed to respond with guidance rooted in established psychological methods instead of just some generic advice. And looking at the updated dashboard here, the new widget is clearly visible. So let's see if this works, right? So I'll open it up to start a conversation. And the AI responds to me with thoughtful feedback and actionable tips, showing that it's not just.
Okay, this is the part that feels straight out of sci-fi. He integrates Google Gemini and boom, suddenly the app has a personal AI coach. It's not just spitting out random advice either. It actually responds with science-backed guidance, like a therapist in your pocket. This is where the app stops being a tool and starts feeling like a companion.
Make all of that happen, here's the exact prompt we're going to send into Rocket. Great job so far, Rocket. Let's continue our app by building an emotional tracker. Please create this feature in the tracker page and build a widget showcasing it in the dashboard so the user can easily access it. And after a few moments, Rocket sets this up by creating a full tracker inside the dedicated page and then linking it to a widget right here on our dashboard.
But what if the app didn't just talk to you? What if it tracked how you actually feel day to day? That's the next step. An emotional tracker built right into the dashboard.
The widget makes it easy to tap in quickly, and then once it's open, the tracker allows users to log their emotions, to record their mood, and even add details about what's going on around them. Now, having it front and center on the homepage while still being accessible in its own section makes it feel both convenient for quick updates and valuable for deeper reflection.
This step turns the app into a daily habit. He adds an emotional tracker right on the dashboard. Users can log their mood, write quick notes, and actually spot patterns over time. It's simple but powerful because looking back at your entries shows you where you're growing and where you need more support. It's the kind of feature people come back to every single day. And here's where side hustle turns into business by adding Stripe payments and a premium upgrade page. Let's see how he monetizes it.
Your SK and PK keys from Stripe, then go back into Rocket's integration panel and paste them in to link the account. Now here's the exact prompt we're going to send over to Rocket. Great job, Rocket. Now the last thing we need to do is integrate Stripe and build the premium page.
This is the moment the app officially becomes a business. He connects Stripe, adds a premium upgrade page, and just like that, users can pay to unlock extra features. The app goes from being helpful to profitable. And notice, he didn't write a single line of code. Rocket handled everything, from design to payments.
Please do so and have a button that connects to Stripe that allows our users to purchase a premium subscription. Make sure that the premium upgrade page is accessible through the nav bar.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
And with that, Rocket built out the premium page for us and adds it to our navigation bar, making it easy to find. Inside, the page outlines the details of the upgrade, along with a Stripe-powered button here that connects.
So here's the big takeaway. With tools like this, anyone with an idea and a few hours a week can build an income stream. No coding, no tech team. The only question is, what app idea would you bring to life first? Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.